What can happen to your body if you drink coffee first thing in the morning? A group of researchers from the University of Nevada, Reno discovered that coffee grounds can be used as biodiesel, and quite possibly in the near future, your car fumes will smell like a cup of freshly brewed cappuccino. But that very first cup of coffee that fuels most of us in the morning may not be the best way to start your day. In fact, doctors believe the best time to enjoy your cup of java is mid to late morning, between 9:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Number 1. You may feel sleepier. Coffee is a wake-up drink for many of us, but drinking it as soon as you roll out of bed may have the opposite effect. Caffeine doubles the levels of stress hormones and may lead to problems with sleep, which results in tiredness. If you start your day with a cup of cappuccino with sugar, you might feel sleepy again after a short period of time. This happens because our body produces insulin to offset the sugar, causing your blood glucose levels to drop, which results in a lack of energy and anxiety. Number 2. Your body may lose essential minerals more quickly. Having your regular dose of coffee early in the morning can cause you to lose many essential vitamins and minerals. It can sabotage the absorption of iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which are vital to our nervous system. Too much caffeine can also leach calcium from your bones, making them weak and brittle. Number 3. It may upset your stomach. While your beloved beverage will help you to wake up in the morning, it may also give you the urge to use the bathroom more often. In fact, some medical experts even recommend drinking coffee as a way to prepare for certain exams. Coffee activates our nervous system, which in turn affects the colon and may cause diarrhea. Many people also like adding milk or cream to their morning cup of java, and because most of us have difficulty digesting lactose, it may cause stomach discomfort as well. Number 4. It may lead to weight gain. Although black coffee may help you burn fat, it can also upset your healthy sleep patterns. When you don't get enough sleep, you tend to feel hungrier and have more cravings for sweet snacks. Many coffee beverages, like popular sweetened blends, are packed with sugar and calories and might cause you to gain extra pounds. Number 5. It can worsen anxiety. When you wake up in the morning, your stress hormones levels are usually at their highest. Because caffeine is a stimulant, it gives your body a jittery effect and can even trigger anxiety attacks for some people. Number 6. It can dry out your skin. Because coffee makes you use the restroom more often, it dehydrates your body. When you become dehydrated, it's harder for toxins to exit the body through your skin. This, in turn, dries the skin out and makes it more vulnerable to various problems, like premature wrinkles,